there, April of Yes to Next. Here's my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Today we're going to do a standing abs workout to strengthen our core. Now, having a strong core is important for many things, including, good balance, improving your posture, all right, and preventing falls.
Walking.
In addition to everyday movement like walking, getting in and up from a
toilet.
That's right. All right, so we're gonna be doing 10 moves, 10 reps each, but you go at your own pace.
That's right.
All right, any thoughts?
No, let's get started.
All right, take a quick pause and get started. All right, let's get started by warming up.
Okay.
It's important to warm up before doing any type of activity,
always.
okay? All right, just march it out. This is really core focused, but I want you to get your blood moving here, okay? All right, very nice. Now, give me some nice little reaches. Side, open things up here.
Yep.
Good work. Really waking up. Hey, wake up core.
Yep.
Wake up abs.
Wake up body. Wake up brain.
That's right. Okay, lower, shoulder level. Good job. Very nice.
Rest time is over. Get moving.
That's right. We're gonna get moving. That's right. Keep moving, everybody.
Yep.
We'd love to help you build core strength. All right. Okay, march it out. Just gentle marching. Okay? Even when you lift your knees up like this, you have to engage your core. Okay? So, very nice. Okay, take a deep breath. Deep breath and stop the feet. Give me some arms up and down for 3. Up and down. Very nice. Up and down. Give me one more. Up and down. All right, very nice. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay.
First exercise is gonna be knee ups, okay? So if you need to hold on to your chair, you do that. It's basically just bringing that knee up and down, okay? Up and down.
Balance test. Huh?
Now challenge is to pull it down, arms up and up. Okay, good. Have arms, hands,
hold on to
and
my
knee.
chair.
Right, just giving you some options here, okay? Good. Give me 8 more from here. 8 and 8. Wow, you're going faster than me. 7 and 7. Go slower. 6, slow. 6, hold it at the top. 5, hold. And 5, good. 4, slow it down. 4, good. 3, oh yes, and 3. 2.
Just try without no hands.
2, very nice. Very good. And 1. And 1.
Yay,
good,
did 2
nice.
with no hands.
Okay, rest everyone. Breathe, okay? Take a breath.
Okay.
If you need to take some water too. Okay, next move, your press outs. I want you to have your feet hip width apart, slight bend in the knees, okay? Stand up tall. Good posture, everybody, right? Okay, all right. So, hands out forward, okay? Bring it in. I want you to press it out to the right. Keep the core engaged here. And bring it center. Push it out center. Push it out center. Push it out center. And bring it back. Push it out to the left.
My brain is still sleeping.
That's right. Bring it in. Push it out center. Push it out center. And in. Good.
You're keeping you don't move your body, right?
You don't see my lower body is not moving?
Yeah.
You should really feel your torso engaged with this move, okay? By being able to press these arms out, you're really feeling your abs and your obliques engaged here. Real gentle move.
So you're supposed to suck your core in?
Suck your core in. Yeah, pull in your tummy, okay?
Yeah.
Pull your tummy in. Everything should feel nice and firm and tight. No loosey-goosey, right? No slouching, okay? But just by doing this move, you're engaging your whole torso in this move.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Okay? I want to do 4 more sets from here, okay? And center. Yes, left. And center. This is 3. Go. And center, keep going. Looking good. Yes. Very nice. This is 2. Oh yeah. Keep it going. And nice. And give me 1 more set. So, left, right, center, left, and center, and rest. Okay, nice work, everyone. Good job. Take a breath. Really working this tummy.
I can feel it.
Okay, good work. Strengthening, yes. Strengthening that core. Okay, next move. We know this hinge. So again, feet hip distance apart, slight bend in the knees. Hinge, right? You know this move, right?
Yeah.
What I want you to do here is hinge, touch your opposite knee with your hand. And up, stand up. Bring it down, opposite knee, and up. Okay? And you don't have to go deep. If you can, you just have to go, you know, if you can't go that deep, just give me a little hinge, right? But believe it or not, you are engaging this whole torso area, but also working your glutes and hammies here too. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
You say so.
5 more from here. That's 5. Good. This is 4. Good.
Are your knees supposed to be bent?
Slightly bent, yes. 3. Hinge it up. Good. 3. I'm just hinging at the hips. 2. Good. And 2. Keep the tummy tight. And 1. And 1. And rest, everyone. Ooh. Nice, nice, nice work. Now, in all these moves, yeah, you should feel your tummy engage, right?
Yeah.
All right? You're going to pull in your tummy and stand tall with really good posture. Yeah. Okay? All right, this is the next one's a real fun one. So, again, feet like shoulder width apart, okay? Slight bend in knees. This is a real stable position. That's why I want you to stand real stable. Now, I want your palms up, okay? And I want you to reach diagonally and then give me a fist and in. Reach and in. Reach and in. I'm calling these grabs. It's almost like a martial arts move.
Keeping your hips straight?
Oh, yes. See, notice my hips are not moving. It's all in the torso area. And I want you to stand tall, okay? So reach and reach. Good.
It's hard.
Reach.
It's really hard to do.
And reach. Stand tall.
I mean, to keep your tummy in.
Yes. You should feel it nice and tight, huh?
Yeah.
Good. Give me 5 more sets from here. 5. Good, and 5. Good. 4. Give me that fist. And 4. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe.
I feel it.
3. Good. This is 2. And 2. Very nice. 1. And 1. And rest, everyone. Woo! Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Really, really nice.
Okay.
All right. Good work. Good, good, good work. All right. Now, remember those knee ups that we did, right?
Oh, yeah. How can I forget?
I like those because they really engage your core. You got to get that knee up, okay?
Yeah.
All right, now, it's bringing the knee up, but I want you to twist both arms.
Oh,
okay?
Okay.
Twist both arms. But see, now, if you can't do that, you just hold on and just give me the knee ups, okay? But I'm going to give you some challenge here. And down. Yep.
I could do one hand.
Okay. Or you can put the chair in front of you. You can turn this way.
No, I'll just leave it like that.
Okay. Yes. Breathe. Looking good. And you know, this is also good for balance, believe it or not.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Anything with the one leg up.
Oh yes. Give me 4 more sets from here.
Which I have to work on.
4. That's good. It's good to practice this.
Yeah.
And to go really slow. And now if you can't go at our pace, that's okay. You just do as many as you can. I know this is a challenging move. I want 1 more set from here. Okay, 1 and 1 and rest. Ooh. Okay, nice, nice, nice work. Yeah. Okay. All right, everyone, breathe. Whew. Are you feeling it?
Yep.
Okay, good job. You feeling it? Good job staying with us. All right. Now, next move is just a gentle side bend. So you can just have your hands at your sides here, okay? All right, stand up tall. Look at my ears, shoulders, hips are all in alignment. All I want you to do is just bend over to the side gently and up. Okay, that's all. And we're gonna alternate.
Oh, this is easy peasy.
Yeah, and up, okay?
My kind of move.
You don't have to go deep. This is working your side muscles here, which are your obliques, okay? Nice and gentle. This is 3, and up, and 3. Good. Let's go to 10. 4. Good. And 4. And breathe, everyone. 5. And 5. Don't have to go deep.
Yeah.
Good.
Very good.
This is 6.
This is like side step.
And
I could do
6.
this all day here.
Oh, wow. You're going to have some strong core there. Good. Give me 3 more sets. This is 8. And 8. Real gentle. 9. 9. And 1 more set. And 10.
All the time. You're sucking up your core,
10.
right?
Oh, yes. I want good posture the whole way, right?
Yeah. Okay.
What do you mean sucking core? You're pulling, pulling in your.
I shouldn't use that word.
Just like you should feel like I'm like gonna give you a little punch to the gut.
Yeah.
Really kind of engage that core. That's what that means. Okay. All right. So next move is kind of a fun one. So again, The same position in all these moves, most of the moves, is just nice strong legs, feet hip distance apart. And then now with the arms, we're just gonna do some real circles. So we have to go in the same direction, otherwise we're gonna hit each other.
You would love that. Oh, sorry,
Oh,
Mom.
sorry.
I didn't mean to do that.
Good.
Bonk.
Go slow. This is 5. Good. And 6. Breathe. 7. Up. 8. Good.
They still have 7 up?
9. Oh, yeah. And 10. Give me a nice little rest here. Whew. Okay. Yes, there still is.
Okay.
7 up, and we do a 7 up all the time.
Yeah.
All right, we gotta do the other side, okay? Gotta balance it out. You ready? This way. Nice and slow, everyone. Real big, slow. 2. Slow. You're going really fast now.
You twist your body?
No, you're just bringing circles. You can really feel your torso engage as you're doing these circles. Because you have to keep yourself stable with this movement.
Yeah.
Right? Nice and slow, Mom. 6. Good. Nice and slow, everyone. 7. I don't know about you, but I'm getting dewy.
Yeah.
8. Good. Just 2 more. 9. And 10. And rest. Woo. That one makes me dewy.
Yeah.
All right. Very, very, very nice. Okay, now breathe, everyone. Take a breath. If you need to take a sip of water, take a sip of water. Okay, so really, really nice work. Okay, now.
What's the next one?
Next one, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay, so again, same position. Gauge the core, everyone standing tall, arms forward. You can make it a fist if you want. And then I want you to bring both arms to the side. And then forward, both arms to the side. And you can bend your knees slightly as you're doing it. We're doing like a little rowing action here.
Yeah.
And you should really feel your tummy engaged on this one, okay? Okay.
That's good.
This is 4.
Actually, rowing is not easy, you know.
Oh, no. Have you ever done a rowboat? Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, it is tough.
One time when we were kids, we tried it, thinking it was a no-brainer. Oh boy.
Yeah, did you get stranded?
Yeah. We had to send the Coast Guard first.
Oh no.
No, just kidding.
It's SOS. But you had to take a long rest there before you
Yeah.
went back, right?
Really.
Okay, 3 more sets from here. This is 3. And 3, good. And 2. 2, and give me 1 more. And 1, and 1, and rest.
Ooh.
Okay, nice work. Okay, good work. I'm gonna take a sip of water here. Okay, so everyone take a break. Take a break, take a break, take a break. Rest, we're heading into the final stretch.
Yahoo!
Very nice. Excellent work, everybody. Now, next move, this is a real balance move that you probably want to hold on to. So if you're standing with me, all we're doing here is just lifting the leg up and down, okay?
Okay.
So this is a real bounce move. If you need to hold on to something, please do. Slight bend in the knees because that standing leg is going to get a lot of work in addition to your core by lifting this leg up, okay?
Okay.
So you don't have to go high. Up, shift, and up. Go slowly with the shift. Up, and up. Yes. My leg is straight, okay?
Yeah.
You don't have to go high. It's just lifting that leg up,
Okay.
okay?
For balance, huh?
It's a total balance move, but you also have to engage your core in order to do this move,
Yeah.
okay? Just like that. Just like that. Yeah. And you can do a hands on hips if you want, or you can hold on
Yeah.
to the chair, which is totally fine because you're still working it, so don't feel bad about that.
I'm holding the chair.
Okay, good.
My chair and me are buddies now.
Good. But this has so many benefits, including your core, but just balance too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, give me 2 more sets from here. 2 and 2. 1 more set. 1 and 1 and rest.
So if I keep doing this, it's good practice, huh?
Very good practice. Yeah, Very good practice. It's just a variation on a knee up, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Last move is a gentle cat-cow. So it's going to lead us into our cool down. So again, feet hip distance apart. And what I want you to do is to round that back, really pull that belly button in, round the back. See my back round? And then arch your back, open up that chest. And you should feel a nice little stretch here in your tummy. And let's do 2 more. Round, belly button in, and arch. Good. And then 1 more. Round, belly button in to your spine. And then nice arch. Out and up and rest. Nice work on these standing ab exercises. Let's cool it down, shall we?
Yep.
All right. Give me some nice little open and close. Open, close, and 1 more. Open and close. Nice. Give me that stretch to the side. We did a lot of side ab work. Okay, up, hold it, breathe, and down, and reach up, and down.
Good job.
And give me 3 inhale, exhales up, please. Inhale up, exhale down, sorry. Yep, inhale up, exhale down, very nice, 1 more. Inhale up, clap at the top. I love this one because it really stretches out the entire body. Oh, yes. Should feel really good.
Yeah, it does.
Center and other side. You should feel your whole torso stretch out.
Yeah.
And come on down gently. Really nice work, everybody. Now, thank you so much for joining us. If you like this video, please give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to do another core workout, try this one, and our other core workouts that we have on our
Important
channel.
to keep the core strong.
That's right. All right, so really great spending time with you. Thanks so much for being with us, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Keep moving.
See you soon.